What up, YouTube? It's Danny back with another video. Real quick before we get into the video, let's do a quick wrist check. Today, I've got on my massive Casio G-Shock gold watch that a few of you did not like. He said that watch was hideous. Maybe you're just not into big watches. I don't know. I love it though. It's huge. It's like 48 millimeters, I believe. I don't know, but yeah, that's what I got on today. Very much love it, but that's not the point of this video. Today, we are actually opening up a watch from China. Normally, I've always dismissed this brand, Addiesdive, just because it's a weird name. You know, I didn't know if I was buying a Pagani design, which I have bought in the past and returned. Just not a fan of Pagani design watches. They're cheap. You know, they're cheap Chinese garbage. And I've initially written off Addiesdive as also cheap Chinese garbage. But there actually have some watches that are pretty nice looking. So this one was on sale for $48 on Amazon. Went ahead and bought it. It got here in 2 days. Let's open it up. It looks good on Amazon. It looked phenomenal. It's a dive watch. It's red with a red dial. So let's see what we get. I'm curious, and if I end up liking it, I may buy more. But the reviews are like 4.8 out of 5 stars, so it's got to be at least somewhat decent, I would think. So that being said, let's take a look. If this ends up being a good watch, I'm gonna look at getting a San Martin, which is also a Chinese watch, but they are more expensive. They look like they're higher quality. People seem to love San Martin watches, so we will see. I know. So I've obviously used AliExpress in the past where I bought my replica Rolex for like $60. And so, well, actually that was honestly DHgate, but I feel like it's the same thing, really. So I don't know. We will see. And to be honest, that $60 fake Rolex, it's not too bad, you know. Obviously it's not the quality of an actual Rolex, but it's better than Pagani design. So let's see if this one is. I am not impressed with Pagani design. I've bought 3 of their watches and returned all 3. So anyway, let's take a look at Addiesdive. Okay, a box within a box. Actually, I did not expect that. So let's get this box out of the way. And we will take a look. I expect this to be wrapped in plastic like most Chinese watches, but let's see. Oh, I was like, why is it not opening? Because there's 2 more. Interesting way to open a box. Anyway, yeah, here we go. Oh, it's not really wrapped in plastic. It's just in a plastic bag. Well, I say that, but it might be. So I haven't opened it out of the bag yet, but the initial first impressions, not bad. Definitely quartz and not automatic. This will be my first quartz dive watch. Anyway, let's see. Addiesdive. What's this fake warranty card? Date of purchase, all that stuff. Yeah, they try to be professional, but let's be real. Who's gonna use that? Nobody. User manual. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna need a user manual for a watch, but there it is. A part of a watch tool, anyway. These are usually double-sided. Okay. Not a bad box, just kind of nothing really to write home about. That's not what I bought it for, though. So, yeah, let's go ahead and get the watch out of the bag. The watch has some weight to it, I will say. So, Addiesdive hang tag. And, yeah, it's wrapped in plastic. Okay. Here's the actual watch, and First impressions, not too bad. Not too shabby. Definitely feels like quality, I will say. So, yeah, it's a nice looking dial. It's got a Cyclops deep red. Very nice so far. Let's go ahead and unwrap this out of the plastic. Boy, that's gonna be fun. I'll probably speed that up or maybe just cut it out. Just depends how long it takes. So, let's see. Everything is wrapped. I mean, everything is wrapped in plastic. Okay. Yeah. Okay, one eternity later, got all this saran wrap off. I don't know why they wrap it in so much plastic, but it's all off. And it's a nice looking watch. I'm way more impressed than I thought I'd be. I will say the bracelet is better quality bracelet than what Casio offers, if you can believe it. This is a pretty nice watch. I kind of see the hype now. For $48, it's really not bad. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and size it here in a second. And I was looking, and yeah, that's a decent bracelet. They've got actual pins that you can remove and all that stuff, just like a high quality bracelet. So it's no Jubilee. Don't get me wrong, but it's still it's way better than what Casio offers when it comes to metal bracelets. But yeah. Overall build quality, I'd say pretty nice. There's the back. You got the weird Addiesdive logo up. The logo I've never really cared for. I think most people don't care for, but it's still just a weird logo. Anyway, not the point. Yeah, let's go ahead and size it, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right. So far, so good. All right. So I need to take off the Casio G-Shock. If I had to guess, I'm going to say 4 links is what I'll have to take out of the new watch. Set the G-Shock over there real quick. We'll go ahead and open this up. Oh, double clasp. Alright, cool. Go ahead and roll my sleeve up and put it on. Yeah, I'm gonna say 4 links on this one. Okay, with 4 links removed, let's try it on. I haven't set the time yet. I'll do that later. Oh, that's too loose still. Oh, but you know what? It's got micro adjustment. So let me just do that real quick. Okay, so I couldn't get the micro adjust to micro adjust, so I just took out a 5th link. So we'll see. And I went ahead and set the time, so it is correct time now. Real quick, I do want to show you the bezel action. Very easy to move. Nice, solid click. Or rationing, whatever you want to call it. And get it lined back up. Is that lined up? Yeah. So yeah, there you go. Alright, let's put it on. I'm very impressed with the build quality. It's a fantastic watch. Alright, I just had it backwards. Yeah, there you go. That's very nice. Look at that. Lovely. Yeah, okay, Addiesdive. This is definitely a keeper of mine. I love the bezel, love the dial, love the chapter ring around the dial. It's very nice. It's a very nice watch. Very nice. That deep red. It's like a metallic red. I don't even mind the logo. It's a very nice watch. And yes, it is a screw down crown. It is currently screwed down. Yeah, let me turn off the light box real quick so you can see the lume. Oh wow, that's not bad. That's quite nice actually. That's some really good lume. Well, there you guys go. I will link this down below on Amazon if you are interested in buying this yourself. There's several colors. I'm just gonna link the red one, the one I bought. And yeah, not bad. Thank you all so much for watching. More to come. Stay tuned, and I'll see you all in the next one. What a nice watch. I'm very impressed. Yeah, take care, everybody. Have a good one.